Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda, and in this video we are going to review Top 5 Best Running Watches. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Coros Pace 2 Premium GPS Sport Watch. Built-in running power metrics from the wrist plus native and complete integration with Stryd power meters featuring running, cycling, swimming, cardio, strength, and water sports modes with ongoing support and updates. Includes optical heart rate monitor, barometric altimeter, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope and thermometer with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep, step, and calorie tracking. The lightest GPS watch on the market at its launch, from 29 grams with the new Coros nylon band with battery life of 20 days of regular use, 30 hours in full GPS mode. Athletes respond to training loads differently. We refer to this response as fatigue and measure it by using the gap between your load impact and your base fitness. Coros Evo Lab will put your fatigue measurement into different zones depending on how optimized your training is. Optimized zones means you are training nicely, while performance zones indicate you are ready to take on your big day. Our second product is Garmin Forerunner 245 GPS Running Smartwatch. Provides advanced running dynamics, including ground contact time balance, stride length, vertical ratio and more, when used with Running Dynamics Pod or Herm Run or Herm Tri monitors, sold separately. Safety and tracking features include incident detection during select activities, which sends your real-time location to emergency contacts through your paired compatible smartphone. Customize with free watch faces, apps and more from our Connect IQ store. Battery life, up to 7 days in smartwatch mode, up to 24 hours in GPS mode. GPS running smartwatch with advanced training features. Evaluates your current training status to indicate if you're under training or overdoing it, offers additional performance monitoring features. Get free adaptive training plans from Garmin Coach, or create your own custom workouts on our Garmin Connect online fitness community. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Our second product is Garmin Forerunner 45, 42mm easy-to-use GPS running watch. Connected features include smart notifications for incoming texts and calls, automatic uploads to our Garmin Connect online community, live tracking and controls for the music playing on your paired compatible smartphone. Safety and tracking features include incident detection during select activities, which sends your real-time location to emergency contacts through your paired compatible smartphone. Sports apps for running, cycling, indoor track, treadmill, elliptical, cardio, yoga and more. Battery life, up to 7 days in smartwatch mode, 14 hours in GPS mode. Easy to use running watch estimates heart rate at the wrist and features GPS to track your pace, distance, intervals and more. Works with free Garmin Coach adaptive training plans that bring expert, personalized coaching right to your wrist. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing.